Okay. Good morning, students. Today I am going to start class 9th maths video. Since the second term exam, I mean annual exam, the starting chapter second, the polynomial starts, and afterwards I will mention all chapters of second term exam. Okay. So first of all, the polynomial, which will very useful in your this exam unit test as well as annual examination. That's why I am going to start this video. Polynomial, as you know that polynomial is expression which expression means the variable and constant related with mathematical application, addition, subtraction, multiplication is known as expression. That is the polynomial also. The types of polynomial is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and biquadratic polynomial. I have already drawn at the board the name of these polynomials, examples, and related terms also given. So, first of all, you know the types of polynomial. Linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? Linear polynomial means the polynomial having 1 degree. 1 degree polynomial is known as linear polynomial. And this polynomial is only one variable. All polynomials at this board, linear, biquadratic, quadratic, or cubic, or one variable polynomial only. If the degree of the polynomial is 1, then that is the linear polynomial. If the degree of polynomial is 2, then that is the quadratic polynomial. Degree third is cubic polynomial, and 4 degree polynomial is known as biquadratic polynomial. You should know that what is degree? The degree of polynomial is the maximum exponent of the variable is known as degree of the polynomial. For example, you can see here in biquadratic polynomial x power 4 plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Variable x is having 4 exponent, 3 exponent as well as 1 exponent. So for the degree of this polynomial, we will the maximum exponent will be the degree. I mean this biquadratic polynomial degree is 4 degree polynomial. And cubic polynomial, 3 degree polynomial, quadratic, 2 degree polynomial, linear polynomial, 1 degree polynomial. The degree means the maximum exponent of the variable. Okay, students? Now, see with the help of examples, the linear polynomial having 2 examples I have given here. And quadratic, cubic, and biquadratic, one examples are given. For the degree of the polynomial, I have already written this variable, maximum exponent of this variable is 1. That's why 1 degree polynomial. This variable 1 also. This polynomial, quadratic, 2 degree polynomial. That's why the maximum exponent of this expression, I mean polynomial, is 2. That's why 2 is the degree. And here 3 and 4. Okay. The coefficient of the polynomials. If coefficient is asked, then it will be given variable. Which coefficient is asking? You may ask coefficient of x square, coefficient of x cube. Variable, the number which is multiplied to the variable, that is the coefficient. If you are asked to find the coefficient of the x, variable x, here variable x having 1 coefficient. If 1 is not given here, even when you multiply 1 to x, x will come only. That's why 1 is already hidden in x. 1 is coefficient of this linear polynomial. All linear polynomial having 1. No need to 1. See, here 1 only written here. 1 is multiplied by x, then x will come, hence 1 is the coefficient of x, and this x is multiplied by 1 by 2, that's why 1 by 2 is the coefficient of this x, and this x coefficient is, see, this x coefficient is 2, and this x coefficient is minus 3 by 2, here x coefficient is minus 1, here x coefficient is 1, here x coefficient is 1 also. Now see, coefficient of x square, here no x square, that's why 0, here no x square, that's why 0 coefficient of x square, here 1 x square is there, x square only, if x square is given, then 1 will be coefficient, because it is hidden, already understood, 1 is the coefficient of x square. Here x square coefficient is 2, here x square is not available, that's why 0. And for the coefficient of x cube, here no x cube, that's why 0 coefficient of x cube, here also 0, here also 0, but here x cube available and 1 is multiplied by x cube, that's why 1 is the coefficient of x cube, as well as this x cube having 3 product, 3 is multiplied by x cube, that's why 3 is the coefficient of this x cube. Okay, students, I think you will be understood this coefficient and degree, types of polynomial. Now I want to start your exercise. Chapter 2, exercise 2.1. Some questions I am going to mention here. The first question is, which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? One variable polynomial. See, students, here in your exercise 2.1, question number 1 is, we have to find out one variable, which are one variable and state which are one variable polynomial. So I am seeing here that in first part given 4x square minus 3x plus 7. It is one variable polynomial. One variable polynomial. Why? Why it is one variable polynomial? Since x is only one, x variable is there, maybe exponent different, but variable is only x, that's why it is one variable polynomial. Here written y square plus root 2, it's also one variable. Here written, but here written second one, okay, I am going to write root y square plus root 2. It is one variable polynomial. It is also polynomial. Why? Why it is polynomial? Because the exponent of the variable is whole number. If exponent of the variable is not whole number, then it is not polynomial. No polynomial. I mean, if the exponent is negative power, exponent is in root power, and exponent is fractional power, then it is not whole number. That's why those polynomial will not called polynomial. For the we have to say which are polynomial are of one variable only, which are not polynomial. That's also you have to say in these examples. In this example, the third one is given. Question number first, third part is given 3 root t plus t root 2. Student, listen, constant may be in root, no problem, it will be polynomial. But if variable is given in root, which cannot be find out whole square, square root is not in whole number, that's why it is not polynomial. You will write here, no polynomial. Polynomial. जब ये polynomial ही नहीं है, तो ये वेरिएबल लिखने की कोई आवश्यकता ही नहीं दे. सी t is in root. Since t is in root, so the value of root t is not whole number. I mean this is not polynomial. If variable is in root and negative or fractional power, then there will be no polynomial. Then no need to write one variable polynomial or two variable polynomial. Only write no polynomial. Okay. And here another question is given. Fourth part. Y plus 2yy. It is also no polynomial because when this y we will solve, this y power will be minus 1. That's why it is not polynomial. And the fifth part is given x power 10 plus y square plus t power 10. It is polynomial. Yes, it is polynomial, but it is not one variable polynomial. It is three variable polynomial. Three variable are given here. See, x, y, and t. There are three variables. So it is not one variable polynomial. It is not one variable polynomial. It is not one variable polynomial. I have mentioned all parts of the question number first so that you may understand it easily. Which are polynomial, which are not polynomial, and which are one variable polynomial, which are not one variable polynomial. So to clear these all things, I have mentioned question number 1 all parts. In question number 2 given, write the quotient of x square. आपको जैसे मैंने बताया कि एक्स स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट इसमें एक्स स्क्वायर में 1 से मल्टीप्लाई है, कोई नंबर नहीं है तो 1 से मल्टीप्लाई है, तो एक्स स्क्वायर के आगे जो भी नंबर या साइन होगा वही उसका कोएफिशिएंट होगा. तो आप देख सकते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के फर्स्ट पार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 फर्स्ट पार्ट, हियर गिवन 2 plus x square plus x. 2 plus x square plus x. Write the coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square is which one? Coefficient of x square is equal to 1. Plus is given here, so 1 will be written only. If minus is given here, then minus 1 will be coefficient. And in second one here is given 2 minus x square. 2 minus x square plus 1. 2 minus x square plus x cube is given. X cube. Then coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. Similarly, in third one, pi by 2 x square is given. That's why pi by 2 will be the coefficient of x square. Okay, it has been explained by me just before this question. Now the third question is given. Give one example of each binomial. Degree 35 and degree 100. Binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. First of all, you should know what is the binomial, monomial, trinomial, polynomial. First of all, monomial. Monomial means 1 degree polynomial. Here, monomial means 1 term polynomial. जिस polynomial में केवल एक term होगा उसको आप monomial कहेंगे. इसमें मुझे कोई भी monomial नहीं दिख रहा है. ये trinomial है. 1, 2, 3 term है. इसमें 3 term, 3 trinomial, this one polynomial. लेकिन यदि आप 2x स्क्वायर लिखते हैं, x स्क्वायर लिखते हैं, -1/2x स्क्वायर लिखते हैं, या x लिखते हैं, y लिखते हैं, कोई वेरिएबल, केवल एक टर्म है तो वो मोनोमियल है। टर्म मल्टीप्लाई करने से नहीं बढ़ता, टर्म सब्ट्रैक्ट डिवाइड करने से नहीं बढ़ता, ऐड करने से टर्म बढ़ता है। जैसे देखिए ये x है तो ये मोनोमियल है, x प्लस 1 क्या हो गया, इट इज मोनोमियल, मोनोमियल, एंड x प्लस 1 बाइनोमियल, बाइनोमियल, x square plus x plus 1, this is 3 term plus plus plus, this one trinomial, and more than 3 terms polynomial is called polynomial, trinomial, this one trinomial, and if the term is more than 3 then it is called polynomial. Okay, first term monomial, second 2 terms are there, then the binomial, more than 2 terms are 3 terms are there, then trinomial, more than 3 terms, that's all are called polynomial. Okay students, I think this will be clear that what is polynomial, degree of the polynomial, and these all things is clear. If there is any problem belongs to you, you having facing to any doubt or problem, you can mention this in your comment. You are welcome to give your comment, and I will read usually comments and try to reply. आप अपने सुझाव जरूर दीजिएगा कि आपको कहाँ दिक्कत हो रही है, मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि उस सुझाव को मतलब करेक्ट किया जाए। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 को देख लिया जाए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 क्या है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, सी गिव वन एग्जांपल ऑफ ईच बाइनोमियल डिग्री 35। 3 का है x पावर 35, इसमें बाइनोमियल कहता है तो आप +1 कर दीजिए, +2 कर दीजिए, +x कर दीजिए, कोई भी प्लस या माइनस करने से टर्म बढ़ता है, मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करने से टर्म नहीं बढ़ता है। तो ये बाइनोमियल डिग्री 35 हो गया आंसर, ये आंसर हो गया पहले का। एंड इसी का सेकंड आंसर, मोनोमियल ऑफ 100 डिग्री, x पावर 100, only you can write x power 100, 2x power 100, minus x power 100, that is the monomial of degree 100. This one answer third. And for the solution of fourth question, write the degree of each of the polynomial. First part of this question is, we have to find out, write the degree each of the polynomial. I have already explained you. I think you will able to reply this question. That is the degree. You have to find out the degree of this polynomial. 7x, 5x cube plus the 4x square plus 7x. Degree of this polynomial. What is the degree? The maximum exponent of the variable. That is the 3. So degree of this polynomial will be 3 only. Okay, very easy. You can write the second part is given 4 minus y square, then degree of this polynomial will be 2. 5 minus root 7, the degree of this polynomial will be 1. 3 is given, there is no variable, so degree of the polynomial will be 0 only. Okay students, now the fifth question, I mean the exercise 2.1, fifth question, last question. You have to classify the following linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. I have already explained it. No, I think no problem will be. The linear polynomial means the 1 degree polynomial. Linear, the first one is linear quadratic polynomial. The 3 degree polynomial, the second one is cubic polynomial. The third part is quadratic, and fourth part, that is the linear, fifth part linear, sixth part quadratic, and seventh part is cubic polynomial. I already explained, that's why I am not going to solve it. Okay, students? Thanks.